Have you ever wondered how one WhatsApp message, just one, can change a person's life? Chapter 1. One message changed everything. Amina woke up early in Lagos, Nigeria. The sun was just rising and the streets were still quiet. She reached for her phone and opened WhatsApp. Like many people across Africa, she used the app every day. That morning, she saw a new message in her business group. Important update about WhatsApp channels and new privacy features. Amina felt curious. Her small clothing business depended on this app. Any change could affect her work. Chapter 2. A tool for everyday life. Across Africa, WhatsApp is more than a messaging app. It is part of daily life. People use it to send messages, make calls, share photos, and run businesses. It is often cheaper than traditional phone services. Recent news reports say WhatsApp continues to grow quickly across the continent. Millions of users join every year. Amina knew this was true. Most of her customers preferred WhatsApp over email. It was simple, fast, and familiar. Chapter 3. Understanding the update. Later that day, Amina watched a short video explaining the update. The video focused on two main ideas: channels and privacy. Channels allow businesses and organizations to send messages to many people at once. The update also improved privacy. Phone numbers in channels would not be visible to everyone. Amina felt relieved. She wanted to protect her personal information. She also learned she could organize messages better. This would help her respond to customers more quickly. Chapter 4. A new customer. That afternoon, Amina received a message from a new customer. "Hello," the message said. "My name is David. I live in Nairobi. I saw your designs on a WhatsApp channel." Amina smiled. She replied and sent photos of her clothing. She explained prices and delivery options. David responded quickly. "I want to order 2 items." Amina felt excited. Without WhatsApp, this connection would not have happened. Chapter 5. Communication without borders. WhatsApp makes long-distance communication easier. In the past, international calls were expensive. Now, people can send voice messages or make video calls at low cost. Amina often spoke with her cousin in Ghana using WhatsApp. They shared news and supported each other. The app also helped people stay informed. News organizations used channels to share updates in real time. However, there was one problem. False information could spread quickly. Users needed to check facts carefully. Chapter 6. Learning to grow. Amina decided to improve her business communication. She created her own WhatsApp channel. She shared updates about new products and special offers. She also organized her contacts into groups. This helped her stay organized. One evening, she joined an online training session. The trainer said, "Consistency is important. Post regularly and reply quickly." Amina took careful notes. She wanted to grow her business step by step. Chapter 7. When everything stopped. One day, something unexpected happened. Amina tried to send a message, but it did not go through. She tried again. Still nothing. Soon, she saw online reports. WhatsApp was down in several regions. Amina felt worried. Her business depended on this platform. For a few hours, communication stopped. Many people were affected. Then, the service returned. Messages flooded in. Amina worked quickly to respond to her customers. Chapter 8: A Lesson in Trust. The outage taught Amina an important lesson. She realized she depended too much on one platform. She decided to collect customer emails and explore other tools. However, WhatsApp remained her main method of communication. She also reviewed her privacy settings. Protecting her data became a priority. Technology companies were improving security, but users also needed to be careful. Chapter 9: A Big Opportunity. A few weeks later, something exciting happened. A message arrived from a fashion influencer. "I love your designs," the message said. "Can we work together?" Amina agreed. The influencer shared Amina's WhatsApp channel with many followers. Soon, Amina received many new orders. Her business began to grow faster than before. Chapter 10: A New Beginning. Months passed, and WhatsApp continued to evolve. Reports said the company was investing in better business tools and stronger security. Across Africa, people continued to depend on the app for communication, education, and business. Amina hired 2 assistants to help her manage orders. Every morning, she still opened WhatsApp first. But now, she understood its power. One simple message had changed everything. Vocabulary list, platform, a digital system where people communicate or do activities. Feature, a tool or function in an app. Privacy, protection of personal information. Customer, a person who buys something. Communication, sharing information with others. Outage, a time when a service stops working. Influencer, a person who affects others' opinions online.